So welcome to my IM page. I decided to use Google Sites, which this was a great resource for me to use. One of the most proud parts of my project that I think that I really makes me proud is I learned how to use and build a website. I originally had wanted to make a presentation, but then I learned how to create a website and it just flowed way better with my topic. So I think that learning how to develop a website was one of the most rewarding aspects of this. So then, yeah, I have, different slides, and then another part that I really enjoyed creating was on my fourth page I developed in the video production badge my own video, learned how to edit it, and tailored it all towards intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, which was included as one of my topics for the IM project. So I was just really impressed that I was able to create a video and I learned how to edit it, and then I added, titles, pictures, my own videos, and then a video that I found. So I think that it really opened my eyes at how much skill I really do have and how that this can be applied in the future when I'm a teacher. I also included quizzes through Google Forms. I also thought this was a great thing that I learned throughout this project, because I really do see this being used in just several aspects of my life, not only teaching, but just kind of like how we learned how to use SurveyMonkey. This also was a great tool for me to learn how to use, and my students can directly take the quiz on here and then just submit it. So that is an overview. My IM is tailored towards high school students, and on the welcome page it talks about adult roles and responsibilities, which is the topic and course. And then I also just included in the welcome page what we would be talking about, standards, objectives. So that is my IM project.